Welcome to EDU World Space.
All right, so we've got this joint density function here, and we need to find the value c. So we know that this entire density function over the region E of f of x, y, z, d is equal to 1 because it's a joint density function for random variables. So we know that 1 is equal integral from 0 to 2, integral from 0 to 2, integral from 0 to 2 of Cxyz dx dy dz. All right, so we've got c of the integral, and we can just do this as all these separate integrals because we're multiplying and one does not depend on the other. Okay, z dz. Okay, and if we just look at one of these integrals, x squared over 2, 0 to 2, we see that that's equal to 2. So got 1 is equal to c times 2 to the 3. So c is equal to 1 over 8. All right, so now we want to look at part B here. So part B, we're looking at everything less than or equal to 1. So our integral, our triple integrals are all going to go from 0 to 1. Got 1/8 x, y, z, dx, dy, dz. And very similarly, like our previous problem, or the previous part of this problem at least, we can do the same thing basically, right? 1/8 integral 0 to 1 of x dx, integral 0 to 1 of y dy, integral 0 to 1 of z dz. And just looking at one separate one of these, we get 1 over 2. So we got 1 over 8 times 1 over 2 cubed. It's 1 over 2 to the 6, right? Just 1 over 8 times 8, 1 over 64. Fantastic. So part C, got x plus y plus z is less than or equal to 1. I want to find this probability. So we know z is equal to 1 minus x minus y. And what else do we know here? We know that if z is equal to 0, then y is equal to 1 minus x. And these are all bounded below by 0. And x is bounded above, excuse me, by 1. So we're doing this triple integral now. Okay. And we've got 1/8 x, y, z. First we do dz, dy, and dx. Okay, so this is a pretty standard, straightforward integral. So let's go ahead and do this out. And xy times 1 minus x minus y squared dy dx. And I'm actually going to just leave the rest of this to you. There's a lot of algebra here and integration, but it's pretty straightforward. It's not that difficult. Okay. I will write a few of these, I guess. So we got 0 to 1 of 1 over 12 x to the 5th minus 1 over 3x to the 4th plus 1 over 1 over 2x to the 3rd. We got a 1 over 16 out here. minus 1/3 x squared minus 1/12 x dx. Okay, and once you do this integration, you will get 1/5760 as our final answer.